Hello, what is your name?
Myself, Immersion from OMA 223. Going to see about auscultation of the heart. The first point is mitral valve point. It was
Where?
located in the left side, fifth intercostal space.
2, 3rd, 4th, and 5. Okay.
Then 1.5 centimeter inside.
Okay, please listening. Small down. You listening something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next point.
The second point is aortic valve point, and it was located in the right side, second intercostal space.
Okay, please. First, second.
Near
okay.
the sternum.
Okay. Okay. Next point.
The third point is pulmonary point, pulmonary valve point. It was exactly opposite to aortic valve point in the left side, second intercostal space.
Next point.
The fourth point is tricuspid
Tri.
valve point. It was located in the left side, third intercostal space.
No. Not third. Tricuspid valve. Xiphoid.
No, it was located in the xiphoid process.
Okay,
of
please.
sternum.
Listening. You listen. Okay, next point.
Next point is Vodka point. It was located in the third intercostal space.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please now count. Put your fundoscope mitral valve points and count in 1 minute how much patient have heartbeat. You can count in 30 seconds after multiply by 2.
Okay.
Okay, open. Watch. Start. Tell start. Start. Okay. 30 seconds you tell stop, okay?
Stop. 42.
42 multiply by 2 in 1 minute 84. In 1 minute 84 heartbeats, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.